Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado K2500 HD LTZ. This does have the 6.6 liter Duramax HD V8 turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive, and it is running good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. Does have the tow hooks up front. Alloy wheels, fixed running boards. It does have the steps in the bumper and tow packages, and it also set up for fifth wheel as well. Spray on Bedliner. You have a power sliding back window with the LTZ package. It does have a black leather interior. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. See that you do have Bose speakers, 2 driver presets, 2 and 4-wheel drive toggles, and your lights. Looking down here, you'll see that it has 72,604 miles on this vehicle. Go ahead and turn this down a bit so you can hear me better. All right, you see that you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Now see that backup camera and pop it in reverse. There it is. Come down here, you also have CD, both cooled and heated seats here in the front. Here are your sensors and your cargo light. Down here, you're gonna see that you do have a 110 power supply, and then you have your other power supplies, cup holders, phone charging station that's wireless. You also have 2 additional USB power supplies in there. The dual glove boxes right here. Up here you got your sunglasses holder and your map reading lights, and that about wraps it up. This 2500 here on the interior. Oh yeah, you do have a heated steering wheel and the LTZ package as well. We'll jump over to the home screen so that I can show you your navigation. And I think that wraps it up. I apologize for that. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front and the back with a little bit of undercarriage damage. Right here, as it ran into a ditch. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.